Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Monster Hunter. World error code 50383MW1. The error reads, "Fail to join session." As per our research, the error comes when users try to join an online session or play with friends, but the connection fails. In most cases, players are unable to join others and others cannot join them. According to our research, the error can appear if the host disbands or logs out before the session connects. If it happens frequently, it may be related to NAT type mismatch or network configuration issues like IPv6, firewall or DMZ settings. To fix the error, the first thing we suggest is to completely quit the game, then reopen Monster Hunter World and try again. If the error still comes, restart your router and modem. Also, do a hard reset of your console and check if this helps. If the error still persists, make sure your game is updated to the latest version. If the error still continues, try using the filtered search in-game and set everything to open as possible. If the error still doesn't resolve, try placing your console's IP address into the DMZ settings of your router. If you still get the error, check if your router has IPv6 settings turned off. If so, turn IPv6 on and see if this helps. If the error still comes, try using an alternate MAC address on your console and then test the connection again. If the error still persists, review your NAT type. If it's set to strict, that could be causing the problem. If you're on PS4, check under Settings, Network, Internet connection status. If you are on Xbox One, go to Settings, Network, Test NAT type. Then change the NAT type to Open or Moderate if needed. If the error still continues, connect your console using a different network such as a mobile hotspot, and then check again. At last, if the error still doesn't resolve, it might be an issue from the game servers. In that case, we suggest you wait for some time and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.